Graduation season comes with so many things to take care of. It's easy for some things to fall through the cracks.
Like potential changes in coverage for your home and auto insurance. Consumer problem solver Connie Thompson is here to make sure you don't get blindsided.
Yeah, let me give you an idea of what's happening, and it happens every year. A lot of students who graduate become a lot more mobile. Some live at home, some move away, most find some kind of job, and many drive their own cars. These changes can affect how your insurance company responds if your kid has to file a claim. After students settle down from all the pomp and circumstance of graduation, most take on some degree of increased independence as young adults.
So the things that they do and the choices that they make become more and more important, and that's super exciting but also terrifying.
Kenton Brine should know. He has 3 children making that journey. He's also president of the Northwest Insurance Council, so he knows how insurance coverage can change with graduation. Tip number 1, if your high school graduate takes their car away to college, you can keep their car on your policy.
But if they leave their car at home, you're going to save a lot of money on the policy because you can list them as a student living away.
That's tip number 2. If your child is moving into a dorm, for example, there's no need to pay a higher auto premium if they won't be driving. Tip number 3, be careful if your graduate plans to drive their or your car for part-time income, like for Uber or Lyft, or a delivery job for Amazon or Uber Eats. Why would that be a problem?
Well, if you are using your car for commercial activity, your personal auto policy might not cover you if you're in an accident and that involves liability, injury to others, or damage to your own car.
Finally, tip number 4, for parents who see kids moving away as a chance to rent out their home space while they're gone. Brine says that's also considered commercial activity.
Well, and you need to consider getting a commercial renters or homeowners insurance policy for the use of that home or dwelling or residence if someone's staying in there for money.
When your child moves to a dorm, their personal property is typically covered by your homeowner's policy. But if they move off campus or move away permanently, they'll need renter's insurance. Bottom line, graduation can impact your coverage and your child's coverage, so review your policy to avoid any unpleasant surprises.
You know, I hadn't even considered renting out my daughter's room when she goes to college.
She's
you
gonna
would
love
be thinking
that.
about that.
Wow.
I was talking
That's
about
not
it.
a bad idea.
Yeah, just make sure you're covered, buddy.
Thanks,
All
Connie.
right.